Hi viewers, welcome to my first video. Isang work-related question na baka makarelate kayo. Anong trabaho mo ngayon at proud ka ba? Ako ay isang full-time dad at the moment. At ako ay wala pang full-time job. And I have been unemployed for about 6 months. And it was a struggle. I'll be honest, at this point talagang nahirapan ako maghanap ng trabaho, maybe for a lot of factors. Maybe one could be age, second factor could be the status of my resumes, like, to be specific, like, moving from company to another company. So, maybe to other employers, hindi siya maganda. Third factor, I would say, could be the timing, no? Maybe hindi lang siguro yung tamang panahon or yung tamang oras at medyo siguro baka hindi pa nangangailangan ng mga kumpanya doon sa trabaho na inahanap ko na work at this point. So, syempre, proud ako kasi kahit papaano nagbibigay ako ng oras sa mga anak ko, nabibigyan ko sila ng time. Marami kaming oras kahit papaano nakakapaghatid sundo at hatid ako sa kanila sa school at nahatid ko sila ng baon and everything, no? So, it's precious. That's a precious time for me. Proud ako doon kahit papaano. But on the side, of course, I'm still looking for a full-time job at the moment. So, time will tell. Hopefully, no? Sana, ma-employ na ako soon at makapag-provide tayo sa family natin. Ikaw, how about you? Can you tell me your own situation right now? Or maybe put some comments there. Thank you for watching.